Hi, and welcome to Fall 2018 KNES 349. This is an online class. So if there's something you need to do, here is the information to get a hold of me communications-wise. I'll be going over communications in another video. I basically do not have office hours, but on 90% of the Mondays, I will be at school somewhere around 3:30, other than the first Monday, the 25th, which I will be there from about 1 until about 6:45 when I actually go to class. So if you want to meet up with me on Monday the 25th, feel free to come by. Find me on campus. All you got to do is text me at that number. I'll tell you where I'm at. You can come by, ask me any questions, look through stuff. That's fine. I'm here to help you. I want you to be successful in this class. Next portion is this course description and what we're going to be doing. I'm going to let you take a look at that and see what you think. Okay, now we get to the reading. This is the book that's on the computer. A lot of the stuff is going to be coming from that book, but where you need to go is go to pdfdrive.com. Okay, pdfdrive.com. You're going to put in Discovering Statistics in SPSS by Andy Field, or just put in Andy Field. Okay, what will happen here with this is if you go to pdfdrive.com and go to Andy Field, you're going to get the 4th edition of this book for free. It's shareable. It's going to come out in a PDF form. You're welcome to try and buy this book. It's cheaper. It does the same thing that's 4, 5, and I think they're in number 5 now. The 5th edition, it's the same, so you're good. Okay? So with that being said, go to pdfdrive.com. This is where your PowerPoints are going to come from because they're more robust than what's in Vincent and Weir. I did not have time to change the book, but we'll be doing sports science, SPSS out of this book. So it's very important to download this book. If you have any problems, email me and I will get you a link and you can go. But pdfdrive.com, one word, pdfdrive.com, type in Andy Field, Discovering Statistics with SPSS. Clear this area real quick so we can move on. 1 second. Okay. Okay, so now this is the grading scale. Okay, A 100 to 93 and so on and so forth. This is how the breakdown goes: discussion, quizzes, homework, midterm, final, and weekly review. I'm going to go over those in just a second. Okay, as I am right now. Discussion boards. There are 9 discussion boards, or 12, so many discussion boards. There'll be more outlined in the classroom. You have homework, which will start in a couple weeks when we start actually looking at testing itself. You have quizzes, midterm and final, and weekly review. The weekly review starts on week 3, at the end of week 3, and it covers week 1, 2, and 3. And every week after that, it will be due on that Saturday of the week. So you have all week to study, and then you need to write this review. You do it in a Word document, and you copy and paste it directly into the assignment page. Okay, it's very simple to do. It's easier for me to grade. It's easier for me to pull up your stuff and look at your stuff. This is a complete review of all of the major definitions you find in the PowerPoints and the videos and anything I've sent. So the more complete you are, the better. So if you're working through the week and spending time with this, you're jotting down definitions and typing in definitions as you're going through, you will get a complete, you'll have a complete library by the time you're done in Word of all the major definitions for statistics, which you can take on to your master's, you can take on if you go into your doctorate, you can take this on if you have any kind of statistics in any other class. You're going to be able to go back and see, I know what that means. I know what that means. It's done in your own words. It's not canned answers copied from the internet. You can use the same words I use, but you can't go to the internet and just start saying, okay, well, a mean is this, and give me a paragraph, because you will receive a 0. It should mirror what you're learning in the classroom and from the textbook. Okay, that's it, nothing else. Okay, so understanding that. Okay, so that's pretty much everything on this page. Moving on to page 3, academic dishonesty. We will be using titanium. If you don't know how, you need to get with me. The late assignments we accept for the first 5 days, 1 point, and then the rest will be counted as 0. Okay, unless the instructor is given permission prior to the date that they're due. So it's your responsibility to get a hold of me. Okay, titanium. We do use titanium, and academic dishonesty is real important. If I catch you copying and pasting other people's material into your stuff and moving on, and you get caught, I will turn you in. I believe that you need to do your own work. I said there's enough work here to have rigor, but it's not too much work that you can't get it done. So the rest of this is for you to look at. But if you come, now you're moving into the schedule. Okay, you'll see that week 1 and week 2 are in themselves one section of the week. You'll see introductions, and over here for assignments, you're going to see what watch intro videos, discuss. Then here's the discussions, introduction, reviews. Week 3, you'll see review. Week 4, so this week 1 review is due by September 6th, the day before this is due. Okay, like here, week review 2 is due on the 13th, of Saturday, by midnight. Your discussion boards are Wednesday, your post, and Sunday, respond to 2 students. Okay, and then as you can see, we're going to go through the rest of the semester. You'll see here's a quiz. First quiz comes up here. It will encompass a lot of the stuff above this. And if you go down now, on week 6 is when we start doing your actual homework, descriptions and frequencies write-up, 1 sample write-up, midterm review, midterm, and then you got the final review and final, and you'll see your quizzes. Everything's kind of laid out. It'll all be set up in titanium too. So if you have any questions, please contact me at the numbers you were given, and have a great day.